I'd like to introduce you to the personality puzzle box. Health and well-being of our teens, students and youth is a key consideration in the world today. And we're finding that we need to provide a lot of support and care for those in all situations, but especially those who appear to be troubled. What we're finding is that an understanding and self-awareness of who they are is a key component to that. Diversity is great, but really knowing that it's okay to be me is a fantastic thing for teens to understand. And this is a resource that can help educators introduce that into their schools from age 14 to 18 or even beyond if you're working with youth. It's an ideal set of resources and activities to engage students to really understand who they are. Self-awareness, identity and of course personality can fit into many areas of the school curriculum. What we're finding in New Zealand is that it fits perfectly into PE and health, in careers guidance, also perhaps in religious education or in just year-level tutor groups. There's a wide variety of organisations that might also benefit from using this. Just any organisation that involves youth workers and youth training would be ideal. Having worked with this programme for over 10 years now in schools, my colleague Nikki and I decided that we really needed to have this available to more schools and to more students and to enable teachers to take their students through exactly the same programme, which we know has had some success and is so rewarding when you're teaching the students. So let's take a look at what's included. You have all of the lesson plans, all of the resources that you need to run every single activity. We've got type description cards along with the careers card attached to them so that you can have those all-important conversations on career direction should that be the direction that you choose. And of course, there are 15 sets of the personality puzzle type for teens cards. So there's also a USB stick. And this stick includes all the PowerPoint information that you're going to need. You can, of course, slip in your own slides and put your own slant onto it, but we have given you absolutely everything you need in order to run this program successfully. So the box can be used for students, maybe in classes of up to 30, perhaps even more, sharing one between 2 or even one between 3. So you can teach a large number of students all at once, and the engagement that you get with the students in those classes is amazing. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. We do want to make sure that anybody who's using this resource is trained to a level where they feel completely comfortable. The cost of the resource is dependent on the level of training that's required, so please be in touch and we can talk to you about that. If you're in New Zealand, then obviously we are available to come and see you. Otherwise, if you're overseas, then anything is possible. We're very happy to try and license you in order to use this overseas as well. There's more information online, so please go and look at the website. Other than that, just be in touch and we'll have a conversation. And we really hope that this resource gets used around the world to help students understand who they are.